Hey guys, I'm Henry from the marketing team at Flight Centre Travel Group, and I'm going to be heading to Berlin to visit our office to show you what it's currently like travelling for business. We'll be getting to the airport, showing you around Heathrow Terminal 5 and the current experience there, before getting on the plane, showing you the modified in-air experience, and then making our way to the hotel and around our offices in Berlin. First things first, checking that we'll be able to go on this trip. On our traveller app SAM, you'll be able to access our traveller hub. This will have all the information about whether you'll be able to leave the country you're currently in or visit the one you're planning on going to. In this instance, I know that I'll be able to leave the UK as Germany's been added to the FCO's list of countries you do not have to quarantine when you return from. Getting into Germany, I've managed to check on SAM that I will be able to conduct business when I get there, providing I'm not experiencing any coronavirus symptoms. The night before I'm going away on my trip, I've made sure to check the destination again to ensure that I'm still able to go without having to quarantine when I arrive in Germany. I'm not currently experiencing any coronavirus symptoms. I've taken my temperature, it's at a solid 36.5 degrees. The next thing I need to do is make sure I check in with SAM. Checking in with SAM means that I'm able to avoid any queues at the airport and don't have to touch any of the screens when I get there. It means I can show my boarding pass on my phone straight away, whiz through security and get to the airside of the airport. So this is everything I'm packing for the trip. Usual clothes, wash bag, documents, laptop, and then of course antibacterial gel and face masks. Now face masks need to be changed every 4 hours. So I've got 8 there just in case we need a few of them, wearing them in Berlin quite a bit as well. And then I'm also going to pick up some antibacterial wipes before I go to the airport as well, just for wiping down any surfaces. So that's me all ready to go, ready to leave tomorrow morning. Watch out for the next video where we'll be showing you getting to Berlin, the experience of the transfer in the car, the way to the airport, at the airport and on the flight.